Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeff from AGL Tech, and Apple just launched the Apple AirPods Pro, and it was really unexpected, to be honest. So let's dive into it. So it looks like they're supposed to launch on the 30th of October. They finally have active noise cancellation for immersive sound, so that's going to be really nice. They have this thing called transparency mode for hearing what's happening around you. Oh, they do look a lot more comfortable. We refined the details of creating a new class of in-ear headphones with a customizable fit to forms any exceptional seal. The amplifier powers the speaker driver to remove background noise and works with the H1 chip to control listening levels. A super efficient high dynamic range amplifier produces pure and incredibly clear sound while also extending battery life. So they're making battery life bigger and adding more features. That's crazy. A chip with serious chops. Tech-packed yet compact AirPods Pro are built around our system and package design, featuring the H1 chip that powers everything from sound to Siri. The Apple Design H1 chip employs 10 audio cores, creating incredibly low audio processing latency, enables real-time noise cancellation. The system and package design is meticulously arranged with the placement of each component based on the form of the human ear, maximizing comfort, fit, and stability. Use the force sensor to easily control music and calls between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Designed to keep up with you, AirPods Pro are sweat and water resistant, and they feature an extended mesh microphone port that improves call clarity in windy situations. So that's going to be a big help here. Charge wirelessly, use tirelessly. The wireless charging case delivers more than 24 hours of battery life to keep you and your AirPods Pro on the go, and it's compatible with the Q1 certified chargers. That's going to be really nice. More than 24 hours of listening time with multiple additional charges in the case, up to 4.5 hours of listening time on one charge, around 1 hour of listening time on only 5 minutes of charging. So it looks like they charge pretty darn fast. But their case is definitely a lot wider. Magical experience, simplicity from start to Siri. Just like AirPods, AirPods Pro connect magically to your iPhone or Apple Watch. A simple Hey Siri summons your favorite personal assistant. Control your music, calls, volume, directions, and more without lifting a finger. Okay. Share a song, podcast, or other audio stream between two sets of AirPods with audio sharing. So that's going to be another thing people have been looking forward to audio sharing with. Okay, let's see how much this sucker costs. I bet it's going to be expensive. And it's not terrible, I guess. It could be a lot more expensive for it being Apple. But the AirPods Pro are only $249. I'm surprised they haven't came up with different color AirPods. But who knows, that could be in the works. Like, I really am surprised they didn't have like a space gray or some kind of black. Typically, you would think they would have a black and white one. Anyways, what do you guys think of the AirPods Pro? Leave a comment down below. I really think if I had the money, I would switch them because they definitely seem a lot better. But I want to hear your guys' opinion. And you guys know what to do if you like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. Hit subscribe down below.